Mary Grace Inabuya, Grade 12 Black. So, today, I will explain why do we need to study about introduction of philosophy in human person. So, let's go! We study this subject because it helps us understand ourselves and other people better. Philosophy teaches us to ask questions like, who am I? What is the purpose of life? How should I treat others? It also helps us develop critical thinking and make better decisions in everyday life. Studying philosophy also improves our critical thinking skills. Instead of accepting ideas, we learn to think deeply and understand different perspectives. By studying philosophy, we become more aware of our values, actions, and responsibilities as human beings. In short, introduction to philosophy of the human person help us grow not only academically but also personally and socially. So, that's all. Bye-bye!
I just had to let you know you're